Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your study environment with IKEA, detailed guide step by step clearly. Finding the right study environment can significantly impact your productivity. Begin by choosing a dedicated space in your home for studying. Make sure this area is quiet and free from distractions. Next, consider the lighting in your chosen space. Natural light is the best option, so try to position your desk near a window. If natural light is limited, invest in good quality task lighting. Select a comfortable and supportive chair to promote good posture. Once you have the chair, choose a desk that fits your needs. A spacious desk will allow you to spread out your materials comfortably. Next, organize your study materials to minimize clutter. IKEA offers various storage solutions like shelves, drawers, and organizers. Utilize wall-mounted shelves to maximize floor space. Incorporate a stylish yet functional desk organizer for easy access to supplies. Ensure all your study materials, like notebooks and stationery, are within arm's reach. Personalize your study space with motivational posters or plants. This can help create an inspiring atmosphere, making you feel more engaged. Keep your space tidy by regularly decluttering. Establish a routine for cleaning your desk at the end of each study session. Consider adding a whiteboard or corkboard for visual reminders and notes. This can help keep you organized and focused on your tasks. Adjust the temperature of the room to ensure it is comfortable. You want to avoid either feeling too warm or too cold. Lastly, make sure your technology is set up efficiently. Organize your cables and ensure your devices are fully charged and ready to use. By following these steps, you can create a productive study environment with IKEA's solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.